Iwan! Hello mga ate at kuya. For today's video, outdoor activity na naman ulit tayo mga ate at kuya. Today is Saturday. So mag-outdoor activity tayo with the Bugoys again. Kuya Adam doesn't wanna go again. For today mga ate at kuya, tayo naman ay magpa-paddle boarding. Yes! Hanap tayo magandang site for paddle boarding. So, ang pupuntahan natin ngayon mga ate at kuya, ang cute ng pangalan ng pond na ito. Ang pangalan ng pupuntahan natin ay Forget Me Not Pond. Bongga, di ba? Forget Me Not Pond. Ayan.
Saka yun, hindi malalim, pero tingin ko mga 10 feet or 12 feet lang yung pond na yun. Kasi kita mo yung ilalim. Meron mga lake na talagang sobrang lalim.
Yan, talagang ini-encourage yung lahat ng mga nagpupunta, nag-aano ng water activity na lagi magsusuot ng life vest. Yan. So for your safety, dapat talaga susundin mo na lang sila. Kahit pa magaling kang lumangoy, kailangan lang talaga, di ba? Isa lang ang buhay natin. So, ayan, may kwento ko lang. Pangit ng air quality natin yung mga ate at kuya. Oh. Saan banda dati yung may ano?
Sa BC.
Sa BC? Puro foggy siya. And aside from that, 5:30 na mga ate at kuya, 5:36. Diba? Papagabi kami doon. Kasi sa abutan kami. Ha?
Dumidilim mga 10 o'clock.
Yan, papaabot tayo ng dilim doon. Paano? Foggy siya. Guys, patay tayo dyan. Umuulan. Umuulan mga ate at kuya. Sana doon sa puntahan natin, daddy, hindi umuulan.
Hindi nga.
Ha? Hindi?
Kaya hanggang ganyan lang naman ako.
Yeah, lumakas na. Paano tayo nga kapag ano yan?
We're gonna take a bath in the
Rain?
rain.
Ginaw. Ginaw yan.
Isn't it dad's?
Minute na. Kanina umaraw na. 6:29 na. Ano yan? May campsite to. Check mo nga yun.
Allenville.
Ha?
Allenville.
Allenville. Kaso mga ano yan, provincial park din.
Pwedeng day ano?
Kuya, pag picnic lang, maraw na. Eh, kala ko, tayo, aabutan tayo ng ulan eh. Time check mga ate at kuya, it's, 6:29 ng hapon. Yan, ganda ng araw. May mga siga na naman, oh. May steak na nakasiga sa daan, oh.
That's a steak.
Sa steak. Gala-gala sila, tawid-tawid sila, oh.
Yup.
Keep going.
Keep going, daddy. Bagal mo yan. Almost there. Dito ba yun, dad?
Emergency vehicle. Emergency.
Sobrang dito.
Dito na tayo mga ate at kuya. Pang second time na namin nakapunta dito. Last year tayo, daddy, di ba? Nandito tayo last year.
Oh, the rafting?
No, yung the pond.
2 years ago.
Is it 2 years ago?
Mommy.
2 years ago pa raw pala sabi ni daddy.
Mommy, I
Kala ko
want to
last
go to
year.
Africa.
Wanna go to Africa?
Yeah, for Roblox. No, Mom.
What are you going
No,
to
Mom.
ano?
Do you wanna know what Abram searched up on his TV? Yeah. Roblox in Africa.
One of you.
Yeah, I was
bring.
watching. But I need to show this away.
Maliliit na yung ano nila, the life jacket nila. Small na. Small na. Lumaki lang sila. Let's go. Yeah. Ano, naalala ko na. Ito yung nakakita tayo ng deer. Na malaki. Ha? Oh, naalala niya na, Dado. Remember na, Jacob, Aaron? Pero nung nagpunta tayo dito, Daddy, walang tao. Konti lang yung tao ngayon, ang dami, oh. Daming tao. Nung nagpunta kami dati dito, konti lang, eh. Marami nagpa-paddleboard dito, eh. Saan tayo papasto, Dad? Doon, sa kabila? Sige. Let's go. Madami nag-uuwian na. Kami parating pa lang. Alas 7 na eh. Alas 7 na, mag-alas 7 na na, Dad. Kami darating pa lang. Mga alas 10 naman magdidilim eh. Kaya carry lang. Okay na yan siguro. Pwede na yan. Tao? Tao?
Wala.
Yan, dito na tayo.
Set up the chair.
Okay. Wait lang.
Put on your like this first. I did. Johnny, can I go now? Mom, can I go now?
Sabi mo yung dalawa.
Dalawa nga naman kaparehas. Ginagamit natin sa camping. Hindi. That one. Can I go now? Hindi sa dalan. Let's get out! I'm gonna get out of here! Very long. I'm freezing! Not really. I'm oops!
Send out.
Akala ko.
Putang.
Sabi mo pin.
Pin, ayan. Ano ba tawag yan?
Pin yan, pin. So I'm looking for pin na para rito. Sabi mo
Yung sarado mo.
pin. Ano, kaya pa, Dad?
Ano, you
Ang
almost
ganda
hit
eh, no?
Dad.
Yan.
I wanna go in.
Ang ganda.
Me too!
Maliit lang tong pond na to, pero ang ganda. Puntahan talaga to ng mga mga nagpa-paddleboard, ng mga boat, ganyan. Kasi maganda siya talaga. Yan oh. Tsaka hindi masyadong malalim. Pero kahit hindi malalim, dapat talaga Alam, maambon. Ganda pa ng araw oh. Pasado alas 7 na. Oh, move na.
Ew! Stun! Let me use! Daddy! This.
Don't play, ha? Don't.
Nung don't play, play nga sila eh.
Ooh! Flip!
Jacob in the middle. Aaron in the front. Abram there. Yeah.
Baby, remove your Crocs. Remove your Crocs.
Yeah, sit lang first.
Yeah. Daddy, kunin mo yung nila, sleeper. Pag nahulog yan, throw it. Yeah.
Your life jacket. Okay.
Remove your Crocs, Aaron.
Don't push each other, ha? Don't push each other.
Don't tease Abram.
What if we tip over the capsize?
Dapat di ba nasa unahan yung nagpapadel? Matatamaan niya si Aaron.
Let's see how his feet is down.
Oh.
Can I see the feet is
You hit.
on the head or the jacket?
I'm gonna make it shorter. Come on.
Daddy will make it short.
We're floating away. Abram, we're floating away.
Abram, sit down.
Short na.
What
Is
is
it shorter? Parang ganun pa din.
Go. Keep going. Lots of mosquitoes. Lots of mosquitoes. Mom, got super scared. You know what?
Come here. Jake, give me my hand. Give your hand. Yeah.
It's going fast. Ow.
Can I now?
Hey.
Oh, paano yan?
Later.
Start up.
I will give it to you. Your mother will give it to you. Mami, wag mo na.
Madali lang, hindi pa.
I got it.
Look away. Other one. Other one. Other hand. Look away. Dito, kabila.
She's that boy.
Aaron, lalayo mo yung pagkain mo. Guno mo lang muna yung pagkain dad.
That's it.
Your feet, Abraham. Aaron.
Oh, you eat like that.
You want Aaron? You want Jacob? Don't shake the board.
Mom, I got extremely mad when someone shook it.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
I'm not done eating.
Okay, it's okay.
It is okay. I forgive you.
I forgive you. You keep on shake the paddle. The paddle board, I mean.
I'm shaking it.
You're shaking the paddle board.
Can you hold this one first?
Yeah.
Hindi pa ako ready eh. Yeah! Yeah! I'm not ready yet eh. I am Chong Sung Sung. Go forward. Dogman! You're gonna! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! I can't! Let's get out! Bye! Loser!
Don't say loser. Yeah?
Oh! God, that actually kind of cold. Over there, right phone.
Huh?
Right phone.
Might fall? No, I'm gonna do it like this. One.
Are you gonna go in front?
No. Let's do it. Let's go over there.
Know what Abram said? I heard it. Daddy, ginagawa mo yun ah!
No?
Abram! Don't stop it! No! Ay, no, stop it! Stop! Ako na isip mo sa mana!
Sobrang lamig. Lamig pa sa yelo.
Please!
Ayoko.
Please!
No, ayoko. You stay with daddy.
No!
Yeah. You ride with daddy. Daddy, ikaw sunod ah.
Mom, like that. Mom, go get this plastic drum.
We will splash daddy later, okay? Okay. Ang lamig.
Stop splashing me! Stop! Stop! No, don't splash me! I gotta run. They keep on splashing me. But they keep on splashing me. I have to turn around. Cappuccino, big female. Hey, Bram!
By the way, that's on camera.
Don't stop. Abram stomped my slipper. Don't let him. Yes! Yes! No! Stop! That's turn! That's turn!
That is turn in Abram.
I'll say to classmates. They keep splashing me.
Wait, Jacob, come here. I want to tell you something. I'm not joking.
You know, you're preparing.
Dali, that is turn.
Call him! Wait! Jacob, you almost... Wait, guys!
Move forward, Abram. A little bit.
Dad, can you go with there? Daddy, can I stand up? Look, they're standing. What's it? Mosquitoes! I'll watch this.
Lamig. Your itlog is frozen na.
What is that?
Itlog, the egg. Babasa ka. Your itlog what? It's gonna freeze.
Your fault!
Is it frozen now? Your itlog?
It's your fault! I get it smashed here!
No, ah? No. What? No, I have my cell phone, oh. Sit down until you can, okay? Until, or maybe 20 seconds. Okay. I'll count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Aaron is the winner.
I need to try one! I need to try. I can't!
May pinaplano sa'yo. May pinaplano sa'yo. Where are you going?
Over there.
No.
That's it.
You have to stay here. Huwag ka umalis. Dito ka lang. Ako naman! Ako lang mag-isa. Natatakot ako pag may kasama eh. Ako naman! Ako lang mag-isa. Natatakot ako pag may kasama eh.
Hold on.
Where did you go?
Put your feet on the board, Abraham.
Is he a pit bull? We have pit bull also.
Put your feet on the board, Abraham.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Lulubog ka pag ako. No! Hampasin kita. Ano, ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Oh, ang ganda ng sunset.
Jacob, that's like come back.
Sunset is really nice. Ride with them. Ito natatakot siya.
It's scary.
Mm.
Scary for him. It's dangerous.
It's gonna be deep. Say that's a Jacob's toy. Okay,
Go, 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 go. Splash, splash. Splash, blame, Aaron. Ano? Gagatiyan ka.
it's getting kind of deep.
May pahiga-higa pa to, Daddy. Tinan mo. Ang alin? Hindi. Oo, pero nagre-record siya. Look at Jacob. Natatawa si Aaron. Ay, natatawa si Abraham. Pag isa natatakot eh. Natatakot pag nasi-shake yung ano eh. Go back. Oh, let him do it, Jacob.
Lay down.
Okay, go. Tatakot ang ano na to eh. Taba-ching-ching na to eh. Leave your slipper.
I am Chong Chong.
No, I don't want to, Jacob. Nako, pinagpaplanuhan niya oh, na ipupush niya. No, I don't want to. Natatakot na nga eh. No, I don't want to splash it. Oh, Daddy will hold it. Daddy will hold it.
Go. Go. Stand. Go.
Scared.
Yeah, Daddy will hold it. Daddy will not put you in danger. Go.
Just sit down in the middle and then
go.
find your balance.
Go, go.
I want to stay in the shallow part.
Okay, go.
How can I stay
You'll
here?
figure it out.
Later.
Just sit in the middle.
Sunset. I was too scared.
Oh my God.
Natakot. Si Abraham. Abraham, do it by yourself. Go. Buti pa to eh. Matapang to eh.
Okay.
Aro, okay, go. Daddy will hold it for you. Takot itong araw na to.
See?
Oh, see? Just like that, oh.
Okay.
Give the paddle to him. Wala na, naiwan.
Push him.
Ah, no. Ikaw nga, ayaw mo nang tinatakot ka eh. Hindi naman siya marunong mag-pero. Ano kaya yun? Ah, Aaron, push mo daw siya, Daddy.
I don't know. No, you won't coming back.
Si Abram ba?
Just go.
They can't because your feet is on the floor. If you're not gonna go with them, amalis ka dyan.
Fine. Let me. Your hands.
Ayan.
Buisit talaga nila si... Yun, sumakay din.
The Kimbo Islands place. What's that?
This is
Forget me not.
Forget Me Not.
The Kimbo.
Kinbrook is too wavy. So hard to go to Kinbrook Island because the water is so wavy.
Kahit nung nasa Kinbrook tayo, takot yan eh. Matatakotin ko eh.
Malamig kasi.
Nagligo nga sila doon sa Kinbrook. Ayaw lang niya yung ano kasi akala niya tatao.
Are you gonna? Are we going home?
Time check, it's 8:30 na ng gabi. Pero ang
8:30?
liwanag pa. So 8:30 na ng gabi oh.
Hold them. Tell them, let's go guys. Going home.
Liwanag pa oh. Yung pa yung araw oh.
Mga 10 o'clock yan.
Diba? Liwanag. Mga 10 o'clock kasi nagdidilim dito eh. May river dito eh. Natatandaan ko eh.
Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is not the one. No, this
camping on August.
No, this is not the one. It's different place.
No way.
Ano? Pinagpipilitan niya. Iba yun. This is a different spot. This is not the same spot. Pinagpipilitan niya ito daw yung pinag-anuhan namin.
I lost
Pina-
my sleepers.
No, this is not the one. The one that you lost your sleeper.
I lost my sleepers.
Hindi nga. Ito yun eh. Huwag kang makulit. Sa wipers yun eh. Here. Oh. Lamig. Ay, lamig sa paa. You don't want to? Yeah. Agay, kalamig. Ayaw daw niya. Lamig, ganda. Pretty. Ay, sobrang lamig. Let's go. Go back na. Agay, sakta pa ako. Akala ko ayaw niyang pumunta. Hindi pala siya makababa. Uy, ito ko na, Abraham. Ikaw masyado kayo pagka ikaw ang kasabay, okay ka. Tapos pagka naiiwang ka, dahil mong ano. I cannot much no, sabi niya.
I can't go much longer. Yeah, I can't go much longer.
Overacting. Let's go na! Gusto mo lagi kang kasama?
Did you record him?
Kaya, Daddy?
Say we are not.
Uwi na. Say, uwi na. Gusto pa sana nila mag-stay. Kaya lang, ang lamig. Lamig na ng tubig talaga. As in, pag nag-stay ka sa tubig ng mga 2 minutes, talagang maano ka, maninigas ka. Sobrang lamig talaga, Day. Lalo, mas triple yung lamig nung ilog. Yung dyan, no? Ilog. Ito kasi pond. Mas triple yung lamig nung ilog. Inilusong ko yung paa ko. Hindi pwedeng umabot ng 1 minuto. Talagang masakit. Ang dami pa rin na hindi pa rin nagsisiuwian. Iintayin talaga nilang kumagat ng dilim bago sila mag-uwian. Yung mga bata ayaw na. Ayaw daw. Gugutom na daw sila. Yeah.
June?
Doon na daw niya i-deflate sa parking lot. Maghanap tayo ng ihian. Iihi ako, Daddy. Super. Ayan na. Ayan na nagpa-paddleboard. Nag-ayawa na rin. Umuulan. Umuulan. Open it.
Can I use the towel?
Basta. Ang panghi. Sobrang panghi. Kalat-kalat yung ihi sa sahig. Okay ka na?
Hindi pa.
Hindi, Derp?
Sa bahay ko na ikukutin.
Ano mo lang? Ay, umuulan na. Wala. Alas 9 na. Lumalakas yung ulan. Nag-request ng heater yung mga bugoy. Gininaw. Lamig kasi bigla. Dito mga ate at kuya, kahit gaano kainit sa umaga, sa tanghali, basta't umabot na ng gabi, nawawala na yung araw, sobrang lamig talaga. Di mo kakayanin na mag-stay sa labas. Kaya nag-request na to ng heater yung mga anak ko. Gininaw bigla. Si Jacob daw, naninigas yung kamay. Naninigas yung kamay ko, sabi niya. Uwi na tayo. One and a half ang biyahe natin, 1.5 hours. Daan muna tayo ng makakain at nagugutom na tayo. Nagbaon na kasi kami ng ng banana cake, banana bread na nakuha pa namin sa birthday yan. Yun ang baon namin. Tapos nagdalala kami ng tubig tsaka soft drinks. Nagugutom na daw sila. Hopefully meron pa tayong maabutan na bukas na kainan. Ewan ko, diba? 10 o alas 9 na. Isang oras pa tayo mabiyahe. Isang oras at kalahati pa tayo. Hindi tayo abot. Ang pwede na lang natin McDonald's, Tim Hortons, and I think KFC. Yung KFC yata doon lapit sa atin. Ano oras?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Ay, ganun din. Hindi na tayo.
Dad, are you gonna get churches?
As usual, mga ate at kuya, agay, masakit ang tuhod ko. Bili muna tayo ng makakain ulit. Dito ulit tayo sa Churches, ang ating favorite na chicken, fried chicken. Come on, let's pee. Bili kami ng fried chicken ulit. Churches ulit ang ating to go na Hurry up! Gonna pee? Okay, inside.
Just have to pee.
Nagutong mga ko. We're home!
Do you have any more fries?
We're home.
Can I use the
You need help? Are you sure?
Yung life jacket.
Oh, bye. Get the lap jackets. Hey, guys. Ano? Ito naman ay bitawan yung pagkain.
Like, do you have any more fries? You said we could eat.
Mm.
Can the big churches sold to use this?
Yan lang. Inubos nyo naman.
Mommy,
What?
I'm turning this to use this.
Okay.
Can I use Mom?
Diyan, saan mo ipaparati sa sakyan? Okay. Ayan yung labahan, nandiyan sa may nasa box yung labahan, Dad. Yung mga basa. Bring that one, hey, guys. Get it from Daddy. Hindi natin mabubuksan tong pinto. Mag-iiyakan tong mga aso. Yes, hey. Open the door. Yeah, we're home. We're home! We're home! Gutom mo.
I think I
Ito
ate
naman
too
si-
much
si
rice at
Ryzen.
once.
Ito wala. Mashed potato lang sa kanya. Ito rice talaga to eh. Ito
I ate
pinat
too much
ng rice kasi gutom na gutom. Pagdating naligo agad.
Mom?
Mm.
After
After that, you have to take a bath.
No?
And use the same shirt. The short, no, don't use the short. Jacob, your shirt is wet? Is it wet, your short? If it's not wet, use it again because that's a new one. What about yours?
My shirt isn't. My shirt isn't.
Okay, use it again. Because you just,
Drop
you just use it.
drop some gravy dip.